239. Welcome to another vlog. So I just finished posting my previous vlog last night, but anyway, I ordered a new backpack because one of my other ones broke, and I wanted one with side pockets. So I'm gonna do a little unbagging for you. I thought it would come in a box, but no, it came in this brown paper package thing. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. I also got another USB-C to Lightning dongle, which I'm really hoping this one works for my POS system. The other one unfortunately did not work, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rip this off. There's a little pull tab here, so I'm just gonna rip that off. Okay, so the backpack's folded up in a plastic bag. So I have a feeling this is gonna be a bit larger than my other backpack, which is totally fine. It will just be a bigger than I expected situation. So, well, I'll go ahead and remove the dongle from the box because the backpack bag is taped really well. Okay, that's the little papers that come with the little cord. More papers. Finally, here is the little cord that we got, and hopefully this will work with my Square System app thing. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I've updated my iPad I no longer have an iPad with a lightning port or a headphone port. So either way, I'm gonna need a dongle. So hopefully this works, and I'm gonna go off camera and get the tape off of the plastic bag so I can show you the backpack. So see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Here's the backpack. It is a marble print. It's got a lot of different shades of blue in it, but it also has just a tiny sprinkle of purple in it. So that's the backpack. Yeah, there's two side pockets, as well as this big front portion. And then the inside has a little compartment in the back, just like what my other one had, except this one is shorter in length. There's a little sleeve that I can put my tablet in, which is fantastic. And then there's these two pockets that I can put stuff in. So that's cool. Yeah. So that's the backpack, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm gonna go test out my dongle, and I will talk to you guys later in the week. Good afternoon, my fabulous 239. Welcome to another vlog clip. So, it's Tuesday now, and here's what I'm gonna try to do today. I definitely need to get a load of laundry done so that I will have clothes to wear to work tomorrow. And the other two things have to do with my yarn business. So I got some chalk markers. These are different color variations than what we had at the coffee shop that I worked at. So I really want to see what the colors look like on the chalkboard thingies. So I'm going to be testing those out. And then I also want to work on my washcloth that I'm currently making, because that is the item of the week, is washcloths. Although I may also make some more scrunchies. So there's that. But, oh, the shorts. So I once again ran out of yarn. Although the crotch area is larger now. It's no longer just a thin piece of string, which is amazing. And I did get a bit of length added to the left side for the leg, which is also awesome. So it's coming along. Though I'm trying not to get any more yarn at the moment. So that's that. And next week I'm going to be doing more octopuses and or bees. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And also, the dongle that I got, unfortunately, even though it was the Apple one that Square claimed would work with the reader, it did not work. So I'm going to be saving my money for the fancy smancy terminal that I didn't really want for my business, but I'm gonna have to have that specific one because that's what will work with my current device. So that's disappointing, but there's nothing I can do about it. So it is what it is. So I'm gonna go. I've got laundry to fold, and then I need to prepare another load to go in the wash. So I'm gonna be busy. I will see you guys later. Hello again. So as you can see, I did a little time lapse of testing all the markers because you have to prime the chalk markers by pushing down on a piece of paper or something before you actually start writing on the chalkboard, and that took a while. So I just did a little time lapse of priming the markers, and here's what the colors look like on paper. So this orange, that's this one right here. It's really light on the paper, but the chalkboards that I have are dark. They're blackboard type situation, so the lighter colors are probably gonna actually show up better on the little signs things that I have. So moving on, this is the green, which honestly kind of looks more tealish. And then here's the pink right here. I know it's kind of hard to see because they're pastel. And here's the purple. So yeah, next up, I'm going to be trying it on the actual pricing signs. So we'll see how it looks. And I'll definitely film it. So see you in a bit. Okay, so here's the colors on the little sign. I'm gonna pick one out. So the first one on the right is the peachy orange color. And then next one over here, we have the green, which kind of looks more minty on the little sign. It's totally fine. And here's the pink on the black. Looks pretty good. Then I'm not sure why, but the purple seems to be working the best. It's just a little thing. Anyway, I'm gonna go get my clothes out of the washer and get them hung up to dry and all the good things. But before I do, I'm gonna show you the new sign for the bee car ornaments. So here's that. Thought I would do yellow just because they're bees, and then I added some pink little like polka dots on the words. So cute. Laundry. I will talk to you guys later. Good evening, my fabulous 239. So I'm about to end this video, but before I do, I have a couple of things for you guys. First thing, I did have to start over on the washcloth because the yarn unfortunately snapped, and it was one of those that's got multiple colors twisted up together, and I did not know how far to back frog, so I just completely started over. I cut off the up to what snapped and then started over. So that happened. But I'm already halfway done again. And the second thing, I put the zipper in this bag. So I'll be taking pictures of this soon and putting it up on my website. Anyway, that's all the updates I have for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want, you can scan the QR code at the end of this video to see all my social media stuff, other than website and whatever. And above all else, stay fabulous. Bye!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.